In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your Android device. You will see the home feed with various posts from people you follow. This is the starting point for accessing all the features of Instagram, including direct messages. If you cannot find the Instagram icon, check your apps drawer or search for it in your device's search bar. Opening the app is crucial because it serves as the gateway to your call history. You want to make sure you're logged into the right account, as this ensures you are deleting the call history relevant to you. Next, tap on the messages icon. This icon usually looks like a paper airplane and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, the screen will transition to your direct messages, where you can see conversations with your friends and followers. This step is important because it organizes your interactions and helps you locate the specific conversation containing the call history you want to delete. Look for the chat thread that includes the call entry, as this will be essential for the next steps. After that, open the conversation with the call, scroll through your messages until you find the chat where the call took place. Tapping on this conversation will load all previous messages and call logs associated with it. This is where you can review the call history before deciding to delete it. If you're unsure which chat to select, remember that it is usually the one with the most recent activity regarding the call. This step is significant because it allows you to focus on the specific interactions you want to manage. Now, find the call entry within that conversation. Look for a specific timestamp or call icon indicating that a call was made. The call entry will usually be distinguished from regular text messages and will have a distinct format. This part of the process is essential because it ensures that you are selecting the correct entry to delete. Misselecting could lead to deleting the wrong information, so take a moment to confirm you have the right call entry in front of you. Once you have located the call entry, press and hold that entry. Holding down on the call entry will bring up options for managing that specific message. This action makes it easy to access the deletion options without navigating through multiple menus. It's a simple but effective way to streamline the process. After a brief moment, you should see a menu appear, allowing you to select the action you want to take. This step is important because it gives you control over what happens next. Then tap Delete for You. This option will remove the call entry from your view, ensuring it no longer appears in your call history. Confirming this action is crucial as it finalizes the deletion process. You might see a brief confirmation message indicating that the call entry has been removed successfully. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you want to keep your call history clean and relevant. Finally, repeat for other call entries if needed. If you have more than one call entry in the same conversation or across different chats, you can follow the same steps for each entry you wish to delete. This ensures that your call history remains exactly how you want it. It's a straightforward process that allows you to maintain your privacy and manage your interactions effectively. By following these steps, you can easily delete your call history on Instagram, keeping your digital space organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.